Hello everyone, I'm back for another layout, and this one I'm extremely proud of because, see, I drew this pumpkin myself, and I traced it with a black, Sharpie, see, pencil, and my Sharpie, and now I'm going to use those chalks, and then I'm going to leave, and I'm going to come back, and it's going to be done. So I'm going to show you, look, I'm done. Those little pumpkins, I was shook it. Now I'm going to leave and I'm going to come back and it's going to be cut out. Yeah. And this is my great nephew jack-o'-lanterns, so I'm going to use purple. And I'm going to use that confetti pattern. Sorry about that. All right. So actually this one, I think I only used this one. The vellum leaves and the florals, excuse me, at the bottom, around the bottom of the pumpkin, so the pumpkin looks like it's sitting on a bed of leaves. Oh, I should put my bird feeder out back. It's probably headed to the back right now thinking it's out, but it's not. And I'm going to add some of the vellum leaves on the vine as well as a flower or two. And then I added that Home Sweet Home. So the vellum die cuts are Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer. The acetate die cut pumpkin that I'm going to be using is Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up exclusive acetate die cuts. And then I'm also going to use the die cuts, a puffy fray stickers, the stickers, and chipboard stickers are all Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up exclusive products. And then this one is called Happy Halloween Memories, and my title come from the puffy stickers in the Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up line. So now I'm just gonna try to place these leaves around the bottom. And then I figured this was my way of being able to use up quite a bit because most of this kit was about autumn, about fall, about the weather going from summer to cool, from hot to cool. Sorry. So this gave me the opportunity to use up a lot of the leaves, which I normally end up putting back into my stash. So I did use up all of the leaf die cuts. and I didn't want to glue my picture just yet because I wasn't sure if I would place it. I might need to move it, but it all works out in the end. And I'm gonna, oh. And then since he's doing pumpkin, the little spice, I think. But my leaves didn't quite go back on the way I had them, so it was like, oh. So I'm gonna put, about imagine. All right, so here's where I do my title, and I'm going to use that acetate pumpkin within my title. And then to finish this off, I'm going to add some of the My Mind's Eye, My Heritage enamel shapes. They're the dots and hearts. And then once I place those areas, then that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I will be certainly back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good week. Bye.